What is up, foodie fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. We are back again with another video, and today's recipe is a very simple and affordable one. We are making Virgin Mojito at home. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. So we'll be making two types of mojitos today, one with sparkling water and one with Sprite. Other ingredients we'll need are mint, lime, sugar, and some ice. Best option is to use crushed ice, but I don't have any, so I'm using my ice cubes. We'll start off by pouring our sugar into our mixing glass, and then we'll add our mint leaves, and then we'll go ahead and add our lime. I don't have any bartender tools at home, so I'm going to improvise with my chopsticks. I'll be using my chopsticks as my muddler and my stirring spoon as well. So we'll go ahead and add our lime, and then I'll be crushing it with my chopsticks. So using my chopstick, I'll be crushing the lime for about a minute for it to release its juice into the mixing glass, and then I'll go ahead and add my ice cubes, and then I would finally add my sparkling water and stir. It's as simple as that. So now that we are done with the first one, we are going to do a second one, and we are going to use the same procedure. We'll add our sugar, our lime, our mint, and then we'll crush the lime a bit, and then this time around, instead of adding sparkling water, we would add Sprite and would stir, and yeah, we are done. So I know you all thought this was some malicious recipe, but it's very simple and easy to make, and very affordable as well. This whole thing will cost like 5 cedis. Be like, lime is 1 cedi, mint is 1 cedi, Sprite is 3 cedis. I know you have sugar at home. You can use this to chip point too, and you can use this to woo your guests as well. This is a very good reason for you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and please share with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and also leave a comment. Thank you all for helping me reach 500 subscribers. Journey to 1k. Please share and keep commenting so you get featured in our comment of the day, and that leads us to our comment of the day. Today's comment of the day goes to Kofi AJ Charles. He says, the thing we've buffalized the oil rice is Anwamu, not Angwamu. I just learned something new here. By the way, I love your video. Keep it up, dear. Whoa, let your face come. What's it? Don't worry, Kofi. You'll be seeing more of my face very, very soon. And I think I have one video on the channel where I reviewed Boss Baker cakes. I have my face on that video, so you can watch it. And if you don't know where this comment is from, check out our previous video, Kobe Angwamo recipe. Thank you so much, and don't forget to comment. It might be the next to be featured next week. Thank you so much, and until I come your way next time, hope you enjoy this recipe and stay safe. Don't forget to mask up. COVID is real.